video, I will demonstrate the SAP-level configuration required to activate virus scanning and content security features in Java-based SAP applications. As a prerequisite, I assume you have installed bowbridge antivirus for SAP solutions at the operating system level. Log in to NetWeaver Administrator and open the Configuration tab. In the Security section, you will find the option to configure virus scan providers. Selecting it takes you to an overview page from where all configuration items are accessed. As the first step, open the Groups tab and activate the Edit mode. Click Add to create a new scanner group. Specify a name for the group. We recommend choosing a descriptive name. Clicking on Continue opens the Details pane, where you can mark the group as default and add a free text description for the scanner group. Save the group and open the Adapters tab. Switch to Edit mode and also click Add to create a new entry. The adapter name must start with VSA, but otherwise, you may choose a descriptive name. Click on Continue to open the Virus Scan Adapter Details pane. Tick the default checkbox and add a free text description. From the Scanner Group pull-down, select the newly created scanner group. Setting the re-init interval is not required. If you wish to set it, use a value between 8 and 24 hours. Lastly, in the VSA Library Path field, enter the full path to the bowbridge VSA Shared Library, or DLL. Open the Parameters tab and click Add. From the Name pull-down, select Init Directory. Set the type to Character, and for the value, enter the directory to which you have installed bowbridge antivirus at the OS level. Click Add again to create another entry. This time, select Init Engines for the name. The type is also Character, and for value, specify the virus scanning engine you would like to use. Possible values are McAfee, Sophos, ICAP, or ClamAV. For this demonstration, I'm using the Sophos virus scanning engine. Save the changes, then activate the virus scan provider. Depending on the virus scan engine you use, this can take up to 30 seconds. Now, open the Profiles tab. SAP delivers a few profiles out of the box. None of these profiles is active, which means no application currently uses the virus scan interface. When activated, each of these profiles references the one profile marked as default. As no default profile exists, we will add one. Switch to Edit mode and click Add again to create a new entry. The name of the new virus scan profile has to be in the Z namespace, so I'm using Z Bowbridge. click on Continue to bring up the Details pane. Tick the checkbox to make this profile default, then add some descriptive text if you like. In the Steps section, click the Add button and verify the values suggested by the system. The step type must be Group and the value must be the virus scanner group created earlier. Now, switch to the Parameters tab and add a new entry. Switch the suggested parameter to Cust Check MIME. Verify the type is Bool and set the value to 1. Return to the Settings tab and save the changes. You may now activate the new profile. Then, also activate the profiles for the applications and content vectors you would like to secure. To verify the settings, open the vScanTest servlet on your application server. The option Virus Scan Provider Objects allows you to query details on the virus scan components. For example, selecting the virus scan provider and clicking the Get Details button will show details on the virus scanning engine, such as the date and time of the latest signature update, adapter data, and supported parameters. Go back and select the Test servlet. It allows testing of the virus scanning infrastructure at various levels. One of the tests is to send the ICAR test file to the scanner. The ICAR file is benign but detected by all virus scan engines. For a basic test, leave all values to default to test the malware detection with the ICAR file and click the Execute the Action button. The expected result is to have the file blocked based on a malware detection. For a second test, go back and select the Shakespeare sonnet from the Test Data pull-down. Then, execute again, and it should declare the test as completed successfully, with no malware detected. This completes the installation and the basic configuration of bowbridge antivirus on your Java stack. You may now conduct additional tests directly from your application or fine-tune the scanning policy according to your specific security requirements.